Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make oatmeal cookies. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 bags of oatmeal cookie mix. I bought these from the store. 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 2 cups of oatmeal flakes, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of water, a bowl to mix. I'm adding 2 extra cups of oatmeal flakes to make the cookie healthier, and also the recipe calls for an egg. I'm gonna skip the egg and add water instead. First, add the 2 bags of store-bought oatmeal cookie mix. You could tell it has a lot of oatmeal flakes, but I'm gonna add 2 extra cups of oatmeal to make the cookie healthier. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything very well. Then I'm gonna add 2 sticks of butter. Make sure the butter is in room temperature. Now I'm adding half a cup of water and then mix everything very well again. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Lay parchment paper on your oven tray, then scoop the oatmeal cookie dough with the ice cream scooper. Then take a spoon and gently press the oatmeal cookie dough down. Preheat the oven to 375 and bake the oatmeal cookies for 16 minutes. After 16 minutes, take the cookies out. Let it cool down and the delicious, healthy oatmeal cookies are ready. These oatmeal cookies are perfect for breakfast. I am having one every morning with my coffee. It tastes delicious with coffee. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you.